Okay guys, that Metrolink just passed. We got more headlights. I believe that is a freight train due to its tint and where its placement is. So, for now I'm just gonna, let's just stay here and focus on the crossing. Yeah, that's probably a freight. If I'm, actually, wait, that might be a freight or a Hyundai Rotem cab car. If it has ditch flashes, then that is a Hyundai Rotem, because freight doesn't have front flashers. That might be a Hyundai Rotem. There goes the gates. Yeah, it's a Hyundai Rotem, or something else, because there's not many cars. Here we go, Metrolink.